I was raised in the same farmhouse that my grandfather settled in 1901. Ever since I could walk, I was out helping on the farm. As a farm kid, you get to do grown-up things. I was only 5 years old when I drove my first tractor. 1938 Farmall F20. Driving through that field gate the first time, well, I'm sure the grin on my face stretched from ear to ear. Right from the start, my parents taught me good Christian values, good morals, and a good work ethic. Now, farming is a challenge, but it's a challenge I carry with great pride. As a farmer, you strive to farm better, to be a better caretaker of the land, and to continue providing for your family now and for the generations to come. When spring arrives and the crops are planted, I wait in anticipation for the plants to emerge. In the summer, I love watching the crops grow day in and day out. Even today, there's nothing I love more than riding my dirt bike scouting the fields. Something about being out in nature, it's just something that always has been a part of me. It's a change of the seasons, the growth you see in the fields, the use of new innovations, and knowing that in the end, you've helped something become better than it was the year before. In farming, quitting isn't an option. You work long hours, sometimes all night, just to beat that storm that you know is headed your way. But you work hard to get the job done because when you love what you do, it isn't really work. That's why I farm.